Another day of Parliament and more pictures of protests. Going straight to these pictures coming in of members of Parliament from Lok Sabha, Raj Sabha protesting at the Makar Dwar in Parliament. Our vote, our right, our fight is the cry really from the Congress-led opposition. Here, members of the India bloc are protesting. Remember, yesterday also an attempt was made by them to march to the Election Commission of India office from the Parliament House. Today they're back protesting again. They're wearing these t-shirts that talks about their right to vote. Now they're raising two issues. One is the special division exercise that's happening in Bihar, which the opposition says will be carried out by the Election Commission outside of Bihar as well, other states as well. And also about vote theft, vote chori, a cry that has been raised, a matter that has been raised rather by Rahul Gandhi. Pictures are of MPs protesting on your screens as Sonia Gandhi, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, along with other members of the opposition that you see on your screens at this point in time. Arvind Savant, also T.R. Balu, other members of the Congress party and other alliance partners. 25 opposition parties represented within the India bloc raising these concerns, also asking the BJP-led government to debate this matter in Parliament, which has now been rejected. The BJP government says that they will not be discussing this issue because it is not within their purview, it is within the purview of the Election Commission of India. Wayanad MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, along with others, are protesting. Let's take a listen. Pictures are of protests again that have broken out in Parliament. Samajwadi Party, we see Congress and others represented in these images are members of Lok Sabha, Raj Sabha protesting against the Election Commission of India. Remember, they did try to give a memorandum to the Election Commission yesterday, but many of these MPs had to be detained. Also on your screens, you can in fact see Rahul Gandhi, the leader of the opposition in Parliament. Pictures are of various MPs who are protesting in Parliament House today. All right, take a look at these ground reports that my colleagues had sent in a few moments ago.
Parliament's Makar Dwar to Election Commission of India.
Protests in Parliament. Remember, the opposition collectively has been raising this matter, in fact talking about the timing of the special division rule, an exercise that is being undertaken in Bihar. The opposition says this will exclude voters and deny them their basic right to vote. Take a look.
After attempting to carry out a protest march from Parliament's Makar Dwar to Election Commission of India, today, once again, the entire India bloc is protesting right in front of Makar Dwar. You can clearly see that today, once again, on the issue of SIR, the protest is taking place where the opposition MPs are again raising slogans like "Vote Chori Band Karo," "Our vote, our right, our fight," and once again, we are seeing a similar sort of protest taking place. Leaders like Priyanka Gandhi, and also from other political parties are present here. Manoj Jha from RJD is here. From DMK, we have leaders also from Samajwadi Party. Ram Gopal Yadav is present. We have leaders from TMC also who are also taking part in this protest. So once again, the entire India bloc protesting and raising their voice, and they are demanding that that there should be discussion on the issue of SIR, and that's why they are again protesting right in front of Makar Dwar of Parliament and raising slogans against the Modi government. Remember that yesterday also they tried to take out protest, but they were stopped by Delhi police. And since the beginning of monsoon session, we have seen opposition carrying out a similar sort of protest, demanding government to answer on the issue of SIR. Piyush Mishra in Delhi for Nero Day.
Piyush Mishra with that ground report. MPs are protesting and remains to be seen how things play out in Parliament, though this is going to be rather predictable, with the House not functioning, being stalled from the very beginning of the monsoon session because of this issue. The BJP says there is little we can do because this matter is not something that can be discussed in the House because it's not even in our purview. It is within the purview of the Election Commission of India. The opposition, though unrelenting, has been raising the issue of the special revision role in the state of Bihar, saying that there are people and there are thousands and lakhs of them who would be denied the opportunity to vote. Cleaning up the voter list is something that the Election Commission in that sense is doing in Bihar and would be doing in other states as well, is what the opposition says. We are okay with the exercise, but the timing is suspect. More time has to be given to the people, is what the opposition has said. The matter is pending in court as well. Yesterday, they tried to present a memorandum to the Election Commission of India, with these MPs marching from the Parliament complex to the ECI office just about 2 kilometers away from the Parliament complex, but were detained.